Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that today, which is May 21st, one of Indian Navy's asset, which is INS Rajput, is getting decommissioned. I've already uploaded a video capturing the vital details about the decommissioning and also about the details on INS Rajput guided missile destroyer. I've provided the link for that particular video in the I button on the top right corner or in the details section of this video for your quick reference. In this video, let us discuss more about the other class of destroyers, and they are the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers and Kolkata class destroyers. We will do a quick comparison between the Vishakhapatnam class or Project 15B guided missile destroyers and Kolkata class or Project 15A destroyers. So let us begin the comparison with the definitions. The Vishakhapatnam class or Project 15B guided missile destroyers are currently under construction for the Indian Navy, and these are an improved version of the Kolkata class or Project 15A destroyers and will feature enhanced stealth characteristics. The Kolkata class or Project 15A are a class of guided missile destroyers which are constructed for the Indian Navy, and they are the largest destroyers to be operated by Indian Navy. Coming to the engines and the turbine details for these destroyers, the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers are propelled by 4 gas turbines in COGAG configuration and are capable of achieving speeds in excess of 30 knots. The Kolkata class destroyers are powered with the combined gas and gas propulsion system consisting of 4 powerful reversible gas turbines, and it can attain a speed in excess of 30 knots. Coming to the general characteristics, both the Vishakhapatnam class and Kolkata class destroyers have a displacement of 7,400 tons, a length of 163 meters, a beam of 17.4 meters, and a draft of 6.5 meters. Coming to the helicopter hangars, the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers have a dual enclosed hangar for a combination of 2 Sea King, Chetak, or HAL Dhruv helicopters. The Kolkata class destroyers can also carry 2 Sea King or HAL Dhruv helicopters. Coming to armament details, the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers have a 2 16-cell vertical launching system for a total of 32 Barak 8 missiles and 2 8 universal vertical launchers for 16 BrahMos anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. Coming to the Kolkata class destroyers, these destroyers have 4 8-cell vertical launching system for a total of 32 Barak 8 missiles and same 2 8 universal vertical launcher for 16 BrahMos anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. If you see more armament details, the Vishakhapatnam class destroyers have one Bay 5-inch 62 caliber Mk-45 naval gun, 4 AK-630 CIWS, and for anti-submarine warfare it has 4 533 mm torpedo tubes and 2 RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. The Kolkata class destroyers have 176 mm gun Automelara super rapid gun mounts, 4 AK-630 close-in weapon system, 4 533 mm torpedo tubes, and 2 RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. Coming to sensor and radar details, both the destroyers have Israel Aerospace Industries ELM/M 2248 MF-star S-band AESA multifunction radar and Thales LW08 D-band air search radar. In addition to this, these destroyers are also equipped with BEL Hamsa NG bow sonar and BEL EMCCA Mk4 combat management system. I'll be uploading a separate video to give more details on these sensor and radars. The major change with Project 15B destroyers comes with enhanced stealth features, which has been achieved through shaping of hull and use of radar transparent deck fittings, which make these ships difficult to be detected. These destroyers embodies features such as multiple fire zones, total atmospheric control system for air conditioning, battle damage control systems, distributional power systems, and emergency DA to enhance the survivability and reliability in emergent scenarios. The Vishakhapatnam class destroyer has a complement of 50 officers and 250 sailors, and Kolkata class destroyers has a complement of 30 officers and 300 sailors. Coming to cost details, the Project 15B destroyer costs 8,950 crore, which is 1.3 billion US dollar per ship, and the Project 15A destroyer costs 3,887 crores, which is 700 million US dollars. These destroyers are also equipped with more sophisticated digital networks such as ATM-based integrated ship data network, auxiliary control system, automatic power management system, and combat management system. So that was a quick high-level comparison of Project 15B and Project 15A destroyers. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.